Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. I'll share this video's command to my experts. Without wasting a single minute, for latest update, hit the bell icon. Let's begin to our today's topic. Let's begin.
If you're studying a complex STEM field or grinding through a heavy reading load this semester, you know the feeling. The sheer volume of material you're expected to process can feel like it's burying you alive. To address these workloads, Google is launching a global back-to-school initiative. For the upcoming academic year, they are providing eligible college students with a free 12-month subscription to their premium AI plans. Every student who signs up receives a baseline set of tools, including study notebooks that generate automated micro-lessons from your course material. You also get the ability to upload your own PDFs, notes, and textbooks so the AI can summarize the most difficult chapters. The offer also includes Gemini Live. This feature acts as a conversational voice agent, allowing you to brainstorm or talk through difficult concepts out loud, much like you would during a professor's office hours. The catch is that the specific AI tools you actually receive are completely divorced from your major or your academic needs. Instead, your access is strictly dictated by where you live, splitting users into two distinct zones, the United States and the rest of the world. This means Google Study Buddy isn't a single unified system. The specific technological advantage you get depends entirely on a geographic lottery. If you live in the United States, you receive a tier called Google AI Pro. This is the high-end plan that normally retails for about $20 a month. This tier prioritizes infrastructure. US students get 5 terabytes of cloud storage and deep workspace integration. It also comes with 4 times higher Gemini usage limits, powered by the Spark model. In regions like India or Africa, students receive Google AI Plus. This scales storage to 400 gigabytes with a 2x multiplier. To compensate, they get access to the Gemini Omni model and advanced AI video generation. The trade-off is clear. US students are equipped for heavy document management and cloud-based workflows, while international students serve as the primary users for multimodal interaction and creative media tools. Google is effectively running 2 parallel global experiments, testing how their infrastructure handles heavy data loads in the US, while stress-testing multimedia features internationally. Regardless of which side of that border you fall on, every single student has to cross the same rigid verification gate to claim the offer. The baseline demographic requirements are straightforward. You must be at least 18 and actively enrolled in higher education. Google outsources the actual enforcement to a third-party service called SheerID. To get approved, you have to upload official documents like a university ID card, an enrollment letter, or a class schedule. As a final anti-fraud measure, you also have to put a valid payment method on file. No monthly subscription fees will charge during your first year, though you will see a tiny temporary holding fee, like a 2 rupee charge in India, just to start the 12-month clock. The AI tools are financially free for the year, but the true transaction requires handing over your verified identity and financial data to permanently lock your account into a specific regional tier. Once you're inside, these tools offer specific shortcuts for academic workflows. Features like deep research can deploy advanced web searching agents to compile comprehensive reports on dense topics in a matter of seconds. If you struggle with raw data, the search interface can now generate interactive visualizations, helping you map out and grasp complex STEM subjects visually. These capabilities are practical, but the rollout reveals how tech companies plan to distribute these tools. This isn't a universal rollout, it is a highly segmented one. Because there is no single global standard, you have to adapt your research and study habits to the specific flavor of AI that your region permits. While AI tools are becoming a standard part of the university experience, their availability is still defined by physical borders. As you claim your free year, make sure you understand exactly which tier of the global experiment you are participating in. The main hurdle in a modern college course isn't mastering difficult concepts. It is surviving the sheer volume of data you are expected to process. When you are staring down a 300-page PDF on organic chemistry, highlighters and manual web searches break down. They do not scale to match the volume of information required for a STEM degree. This creates an intake bottleneck. You end up spending all of your available study hours just trying to read the assigned texts, leaving little time to actually understand them. Surviving the modern semester requires an upgrade to how you process information, rather than just attempting to work harder. Automating that heavy reading takes serious computing power, specifically premium AI models that are usually locked behind expensive monthly subscriptions. Those top-tier plans are priced for enterprise budgets, keeping high-end research tools out of reach for a typical student. For the upcoming academic year, Google is removing that price tag by rolling out a dedicated Gemini Student Hub. If you are enrolled in college, they are handing you 12 months of their most powerful AI capabilities at no cost. To see how this works in practice, let's look at the life cycle of a major assignment, starting with the first hurdle, getting the information into your brain. With the unlimited uploads feature, you can drop entire textbooks, lecture notes, and dense PDFs straight into the Gemini interface. The system immediately parses those massive files and extracts accurate summaries, letting you bypass that initial reading bottleneck. Once the raw data is digested, you move it into a study notebook. These notebooks sort the summarized material by topic and automatically generate short, tailored microlessons based on your specific curriculum. By letting the AI handle the sorting and summarizing, the friction of organizing your notes is gone. You jump straight into actual studying. Now that your materials are organized, how do you actually lock down the hard concepts? This is where Gemini Live comes in. It functions as a conversational voice chat interface. Instead of typing, you can talk out loud to brainstorm essay structures or work through complicated theories, exactly as if speaking with a tutor. For dense STEM subjects, there is a tool called Interactive Visualizations. You can prompt it via Google Search to generate charts and diagrams to help you visualize abstract concepts. These tools take an academic workflow that used to be passive reading and turn it into active, conversational learning. The final phase of the workflow is researching and producing the assignment. Gemini includes a feature called Deep Research, which deploys autonomous web searching agents to compile comprehensive, sourced reports on dense topics. This graphic shows how the computing power driving those research agents is distributed. If you study in the United States, you receive Google AI Pro. This includes 5 terabytes of cloud storage, limits that allow for 4 times as many queries, and access to the fast Gemini Spark model. Students in international regions, including India and Africa, receive Google AI Plus. This tier grants you 400 gigabytes of storage, double the standard usage limits, and access to Gemini Omni. Regardless of the specific regional tier, both plans provide a high level of premium computing power for your daily coursework. When you string these features together, Gemini functions as a centralized research hub for your degree. This personalized, multi-model assistant handles all the logistical work of sorting data, shifting your focus toward high-level analysis. The result is a measurable advantage for students using these tools over those relying on manual study methods. To claim the free year, Google requires you to meet specific eligibility criteria. You must be at least 18 years old, live in an eligible country, and be actively enrolled in a higher education institution. This flowchart breaks down the setup. You visit the official Gemini for Students portal and verify your active student status through the SheerID system. You can pass that verification by uploading a valid university ID card, an official class schedule, or a current enrollment letter. Finally, you will need to add a valid payment method. This places a temporary hold on your account, but no subscription fees will be charged during the 12-month promotional window. The premium tools required to reduce academic friction are available now. You simply need to take the initiative to claim them.